In this video, I will cover angles of polygons. Polygon. Polygon is a plane closed figure made of line segments. These are the examples of polygons. Regular polygon. All sides are equal in length and all interior angles are equal in size. These are the examples of the regular polygon. Irregular polygon. All sides are not equal in length and or all interior angles are not equal in size. This is an irregular polygon. All four interior angles are equal in size, but all sides are not equal in length. This is another example of an irregular polygon. All sides are equal in length, but all interior angles are not equal in size. Regular polygons. If a polygon has three equal sides, it is known as an equilateral triangle. 4 equal sides, then an equilateral square. 5 equal sides, then a regular pentagon. 6 equal sides, then a regular hexagon. 7 equal sides, then a regular heptagon. 8 equal sides, then a regular octagon. 9 equal sides, then a regular nonagon. 10 equal sides, then a regular decagon. Next, interior angles in polygons. This is a polygon. It has 3 sides and it is one triangle. So 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. So it is one triangle. Second example of a polygon. There are 4 sides and it has 2 possible triangles. 4 sides minus 2 is equal to 2. So there are 2 triangles. Next, 5 sides, 3 triangles. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3 triangles. Next, 6 sides, 4 triangles. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4 triangles. Next, 12 sides, 10 triangles. 12 minus 2 is equal to 10 triangles. If the number of sides in a polygon is equal to n, then the number of triangles is equal to n minus 2. The interior angle sum of a triangle is always 180 degrees. So the interior angle sum of a polygon is equal to the number of triangles multiplied by the interior angle sum of a triangle. So this is the final formula for the interior angle sum of a polygon. N minus 2 multiplied by 180 degrees. Next, interior angles in an octagon. This is the octagon and here n is equal to 8 sides. This is the formula for interior angle sum of a polygon. As we know, n is equal to 8 sides is equal to 8 minus 2 multiplied by 180 degrees. The final answer is 1080 degrees. It is the interior angle sum in an octagon. Next, interior angles in regular polygon. This is the regular polygon. These interior angles have the same size. In this example, there are 5 sides and 5 angles. This is the formula for the interior angle sum of a polygon. Here the number of sides is equal to n. So the number of angles is also equal to n. Here all angles are the same in size. So the interior angle of a regular polygon is equal to n minus 2 multiplied by 180 degrees divided by n. Next, interior angles in a regular pentagon. As we know, this is the formula for the interior angle of a regular polygon. Here n is equal to 5. So 5 minus 2 multiplied by 180 degrees divided by 5. So the answer is 108 degrees. Next, interior angles in a regular decagon. This is a regular decagon. The interior angle of a regular polygon is equal to n minus 2 multiplied by 180 degrees divided by n. N is equal to 10. So 10 minus 2 multiplied by 180 degrees divided by 10. The answer is 144 degrees. Next, interior angles in a regular polygon with 28 sides. As we know, this is the formula for the interior angle of a regular polygon. Here n is equal to 28. So when we further simplify this equation, 26 multiplied by 180 degrees divided by 28 is equal to 167.14 degrees. Next, exterior angles in polygons. This is a polygon Here we can see the interior angle and exterior angle. The sum of the exterior angles of a polygon is always 360 degrees. So when we do the sum of all exterior angles in any polygon, its total is 360 degrees. Next, exterior angles in regular polygons. This is a regular polygon. All interior angles have the same size and all exterior angles also have the same size. So the exterior angle of a regular polygon is equal to 360 degrees divided by n. N is equal to the number of sides. In a pentagon, there are 5 sides, so there are 5 interior angles and 5 exterior angles. Here n is equal to 5. So the answer is 72 degrees. So each exterior angle size is 72 degrees in a regular pentagon. Next, exterior angles in a regular octagon. This is an example of a regular octagon. There are 8 interior angles and 8 exterior angles because the number of sides is 8. This is the formula for exterior angles of a regular polygon. Here n is equal to 8. So the answer is 45 degrees. So each exterior angle of a regular octagon is equal to 45 degrees. Next, exterior angles in a regular polygon with 17 sides. This is the formula for each exterior angle of a regular polygon. Here n is equal to 17 sides. So the answer is 21.18 degrees. Next, interior and exterior angles in polygons. This is a polygon. Here interior and exterior angles are on one straight line. So the interior angle plus the exterior angle is equal to 180 degrees. Next, interior and exterior angles in a regular polygon with 20 sides. The exterior angles of a regular polygon is equal to 360 degrees divided by n. Here n is equal to 20 sides. So the answer is 18 degrees. So in this example, each exterior angle of a regular polygon is equal to 18 degrees. Now we need to find out the interior angle. This is the formula for the interior angle of a regular polygon. But in this example, there is no need to use this formula for a regular polygon. As we know, interior angle plus exterior angle is equal to 180 degrees. So, interior angle is equal to 180 degrees minus exterior angles. The exterior angle is 18 degrees. So, 180 degrees minus 18 degrees is equal to 162 degrees. So, this is the interior angle. Hope this video helps you understand angles of polygons. Subscribe and like the video if you want more lessons.